friends, welcome to SAISHA'S words. Hey guys, and welcome back to SAISHA'S words. Today there's a surprise. Mentabo. What is that? Ah! Who are you?
Where I am? Who are you?
I'm Saisha. And nice to meet you.
Saisha? Oh. My name is. Guess who I am? First tell me who are you and where I been? What are you doing here? Oh, it's a camera also.
Saisha.
Oh, camera. Okay. Tell me, who are you?
I'm Saisha.
Yes, Saisha. I saw you in SAISHA'S world.
Yeah.
Really? That's Saisha you?
Yeah.
So cute. I'm happy that I'm here today. Now tell me, who are you?
Do you want me to say who are you?
Yes.
You're a crocodile. Amitabo said her friend is a crocodile.
Crocodile?
And Amitabo also said the crocodile's hair is yellow. Like a bush.
I'm not crocodile.
Yes, you are. You're friendly like crocodile.
Okay.
And Amitabo said the crocodile is named Jasma.
Oh, you know my name.
Amitabo said.
Oh, Winterbo. Okay. What you doing today?
It's a surprise. I will say it in your ear.
Okay. Wow, it's amazing. Viewers, keep watching. Please,
Yeah.
she's going to do very good.
First, we are gonna take these two.
Okay.
Now we are gonna put salt water. Jasma. She went to bed. I don't want to overload it. Now we are gonna try lemon. We are gonna put in this water first. Oh, it's sand. Oh, how about we can try with salt water? Now do this. Wow! It floated! Jasma! Jasma, look at this!
I was sleeping. Oh, how it's floating.
Yes,
Hmm.
and
Show me here.
this is salt water, and now look in
Mm.
it's pink.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
How it happened?
I was saying in the air.
Oh, it means I have to watch all.
Hey,
Oh,
don't eat
yummy,
it.
yummy! I want to eat it. I like it. I like it. Okay. In the end, you will give me to it.
Now, we are gonna try with this, not in salt water.
Okay. You have 3 eggs.
Yeah, don't eat it.
Sure.
I'll give it in lunch.
Okay.
Wow, it's pink, but that is not the way I like it.
Okay. It's saying it's not floating.
Yeah.
Okay.
How about this one?
Sinking. I told you it will sing.
How about the last thing?
It will also sing.
And I think I'm not right.
Oh, show me. Show me.
happened?
Why? Tell me.
Because of density.
Density?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
So the lemon was actually high than fresh water.
oh, you mean to say the density of lemon was higher than the fresh water?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when we put salt water,
Hmm.
what happens?
Hmm.
The lemon density becomes less, and the water and the salt water becomes high and higher.
I understood. Okay, fine.
So this was the surprise for you.
I learned something new today.
Tell me.
Density.
Yeah.
Viewers, have you learned?
If you learn right, you ask one explain.
Can you show me one more experiment, please?
Okay.
Leave good one. You have anything in your mind today?
Yeah.
What? Tell me in my ear.
Okay. It's also a surprise for you guys.
Okay. Really?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, and now you can eat it. Make sure you don't break it.
Okay, see, I'm eating.
Make sure you don't crack it too hard.
Okay, then I'll keep it and eat later.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's go on with another experiment. Oh, and bye.
Bye.
I'm tired. Ah. So this is the reason why it floats. There's salt.
Okay.
Let's put in fresh water. I don't know how much to put, but I now we're gonna mix it. Add the tip. Don't forget to add the tip. Tip is another word for me. Now let's see. Wow, it's loading. This is the reason. Is really good. It helps things sink and float in salty waters. Now this is the second surprise.
What is the second surprise?
I told you.
Oh, you told me.
It's healthy medicine. We eat it for protein and staying safe from any bacteria or some stomach ache.
Okay.
So here's one medicine.
What is it?
A medicine, but you cannot eat. Yes, it's a turmeric medicine.
Okay. So,
Oh, wait. Aha. I told you. Now I put healthy. Tell me this and more. Jasmine. She said she was tired. Now I have this. I will put this around in it. If I put so much. Now I have to add the tape. Add the tape. Add the tape. Does it become blood? It's too bad, and when the bird Jasmine is not having this fun. Oh, time for some magic. Vinegar, come to me. I put a little. Otherwise, I want to waste it. Ta-da! Let me add this tape. additive, 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 additive. Ta-da! Now I clean the mess. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Oh, and this is also your gift. I mean your gift. Wow. Jasmine, Window, anybody here? Well, I do some videos without Window and Jasmine. Wait, I just met her. And bye. Oh, and to subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye.